Abaegereri bo ba Oboene bo Mwanyabanto ningo baruro Koboria guchase Ebigambero ebidene ko Koimokia Ebitambokero abantu gosa Abasaria bali bakoreto Abasaria chingaki okorrekana kwa negativwe eriki okelo no yomobo ni gatebiremna abakoreto Abasaria obutaria aba generation said korende nigo barenga banta bao asekeri aboriri obotukibo koreke eriyo kwa nekibuna abubakoreto Abasaria nkobe kubale biara.
Weeks we've had a demonstration. However, goons and thugs have been invading demonstrations in Kisumu, causing havoc and mayhem, stealing property and destruction of our road networks. I therefore call upon the organizers of demonstrations to ensure that these people that infiltrate the demonstration be marked and apprehended forthwith. We are seeing a point in which judiciary are propagating a state of anarchy. Under normal circumstance, you cannot tell us that 180 people were all demonstrators. What if there is an assault case? What if there is a crime of different nature? This issue must be taken with a lot of interest, and judiciary must work within the confines of the law to protect the people. It is so unfortunate that the judiciary left or rather gave all the 185 free bond. What if tomorrow any other person cause a crime or commit a crime and is left because that becomes a norm? We want to tell the judiciary to stop promoting the state of anarchy.